Hivi nikikwambia gym peke yake, fitness is not enough for you to achieve whether you want to build muscles or you want to lose your weight. Generally, losing the fats. Believe me, huwezi kuachieve through gym peke yake. I'm Nana, the nutrition coach. Niko hapa kukuelezea how can you achieve that. There are two ways. You can't achieve it through gym peke yake. You must focus on nutrition. Nutrition is the essential key to achieving that. Whether it's the dream body through muscles building or you want to lose the fat. Ngoja nikuelezee kidogo uweze kuelewa. Unaenda gym. Maybe let us say you use 1 hour at the gym and you end up burning how many calories? Say 600 or probably 300 to 600. Alafu unatoka nje ya gym hapo tu pembeni unaingia kwa mangi and you take a soda. Do you know how many calories are in the soda? Tuongezee unakula na chips. Do you know umerudisha everything and extra calories umezipata zaidi ambazo hukuzichoma. So how will you burn them? Alafu unalalamika you can't lose weight. It's impossible. The proper thing and the main thing to focus is nutrition. Gym inatusaidia kumalizia. Ngoja tuongelee mfano mwingine. Mr. Fulani, let me say Mr. A, anaingia gym. Ana aim kufanya nini? To build muscles. Even my sisters right now, they focus on building muscles in different areas. They go to the gym. They lift weights as much as they can. And after that, they don't eat the proper nutrition. Alafu, they claim, wanalalamika, I've been doing this for the past 3-4 months, hakuna results. Do you know the reason ya kutokupata those results? It's the proper nutrition. The proper nutrition ndio kila kitu. So, I, Nana, the nutrition coach, will help you in that. Tutajua what are the proper nutrients that are going to help you. Au nikwambie a bit, protein is one of them. That's going to help you to build that muscles that you want. Nitafute. We work together to achieve that dream body that you want to have. Thank you.